quick update on the podcast room and my content room and my overall teamed out work office. Check it out so far. First off, got the creamy keyboard, got the new screen, the essentials, got the red mouse, also essential, and something we've been waiting on many months. We got the maingear PC. It took me a long time to design this, get all the pieces I wanted, get them in stock, but it looks absolutely insane in person. Love this build. Might look cooler at night, and I know you guys are telling me you want more story times and things that happen in the Lambo, so best believe we just got some meta glasses. I'm gonna show you guys the crazy interactions I have on a daily basis. Stay tuned, but overall, I'm liking the build. Coming along pretty well. I gotta clean up these wires though, but either way, looks pretty good.